Hello and welcome to another video on the Ben 10 Heatblast custom 3D printed figure I made. This video is going to be a short one, not short enough to be a short, but not long enough to be a long form video either. Now I had a lot of requests to do some variants of this figure, the main one being a translucent version. Now this was the most requested variant by far, and I can see why. Obviously when they released the original toy line they had a clear version, but there was also the very highly requested Ice Blast, or Heat Blast with a cold. So I mixed up a lighter shade of blue, put it in the resin tank, and made this version. Now, there was also the request to make another one that I had never even thought of, and I had actually completely forgotten about from the original Bandai toy line. And that's the Haywire version, where they mixed colour schemes, and they mixed his with Upchuck, so we get a black and green Heat Blast. There were not many requests for this one. I was surprised that there were requests, but I went and made him anyway. I had 4 available. There are currently 2 or 3 available left on the shop. All the rest of these guys have sold out, unfortunately. I will be doing more batches, probably not for the blue Heat Blast anytime soon. Maybe for the translucent one, definitely for the original. But if you want to pick yourself up a Haywire Heat Blast, he is linked in the description on my shop. Now, I wanted to actually take the time to give these guys a little bit of camera time. I made a post about them. You might have seen it on YouTube. I also made a story about it on Instagram, hence how I advertised that I had some available for sale, and they sold out within 3 days. Now, obviously, I'm not a big company. I don't mass produce these guys, so I have a limited batch every time I do it, and no 2 batches are going to be identical because I custom mix the resins every time I make a batch of these guys. Now, like I said, I don't have any of the blue or the translucent ones left anymore. They did go almost instantly. It is just the Haywire ones available on the website now. Taking a better look at the translucent one, you're going to see this one shares some very close similarities to the original custom I made, where I used the Sunfire body mold and terracotta milliput. Obviously the colours are very similar because that's the whole point of this custom, but also the way it reacts to light piping through it. This is actually more transparent than the Sunfire body was. You can see it actually lights up all the yellow areas. And the red sections of his body are also somewhat translucent because it's such a thin resin. Now obviously when you've got glaring light up against it, you can begin to see the glue spots where the red is attached to the body, but when it's just casually backlit, it just makes the yellow glow. I'm a huge fan of this guy. It's actually a shame to be getting rid of them all. I didn't keep myself any from this batch. The only one I have is the blue one, again because the TPU is a bit of an issue, so his joints are a little bit wobbly. But like I said about the backlighting, you can see there, it really makes the yellow translucent sections of this guy pop. Now out of the 3 colour variations I did, this translucent one had the most interest, so it is more likely I'll be doing another batch of him at some point later down the line. There was a lot of people that wanted one, and I only made 4, so there wasn't, you know, the stock, I suppose. Now the blue one, I'm less likely to make another batch of. There is still a chance I will if the demand is there. But the green one, I can almost say with certainty I won't be making another batch of Haywire Heat Blasts. So once these 4 go, I think that's it. I think that'll be the 4 Haywire and no more. If I'm going to do more, it might be 8 total. So if you want a Haywire, I recommend getting one now because I don't intend on doing another batch of him. I suppose that makes him like a limited edition, a limited run. But yeah, there won't be many more of him made, if any. So if you want them, there's 2 or 3 available on my store right now, and that will probably be it. Now you might be looking at that green Heat Blast and thinking, that's very close to Diamond Head's colour. You would be right, it is very close. In fact, I used a bit of it to try and mix up the correct colour for Diamond Head. This is a little bit more green than I would have wanted. The actual batch that I'm selling will be blue. Not blue, but more blue toned. And let's take a look at that figure. Here's a sneak preview while I'm working on the full video. I'm super happy with how this guy's come out. Obviously I've had to do a lot of modifications. This is the prototype, the original. There were some modifications that's been made to the file to make it better for batch printing and to make it just more durable. There are pre-sales available on my website for him as well as of right now. I'll be shipping that batch in mid-February. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think of these colour variants, and I'll see you in the next video.